House music is not just something you hear. It's something you feel in your chest and your breathing, and the way your body lets go and starts moving freely. It's a rhythm for souls that feel deeply, a place where strangers understand each other without words, and the bass line speaks for everyone in the room. House music feels like freedom. Freedom to be yourself without fear, without masks, without explanation. It brings energy to the soul, peace inside the chaos, connection between people, emotion without words, and the feeling that you truly belong to the moment. Every bassline hits a different emotion. Every drop releases something hidden inside you. And for a few hours, the world feels lighter, 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 lighter. No stress, no outside noise, no pretending to be somebody else. Just rhythm, movement, lights, and energy flowing through the room. Music feels like sunrise after a long night. Sweat, lights, rhythm, movement. One last cigarette outside the club while the bass still shakes through the walls. And that beautiful feeling of being fully alive. Right here. Right now.